Okay, how do we finger this second part? So we're going on the first string with the first finger to the second finger to the fourth finger on that 3, 5, and 7. So the other thing that I'm doing is I am rotating my hand a little bit. You see how I'm doing? So instead of just stretching, I'm doing a little bit of moving with my wrist. So and then I'm doing my 3 finger or 2 finger. I'm doing the 2 finger to lean over to grab that 5 on the B string, and then I'm leaning over, to get the 5 back on the 1. So then I'm shifting down to get the next 3 notes, 5, 7, 5, with the 1, 3, 1 and 3 fingers, and then my pinky is grabbing the 8, and then 1, 3, 1 again on the 5th and 7th frets, and then 8, 7, 5 with the pinky, ring, and index finger on the B string, and then my ring finger is reaching over to grab the 7th fret on the G string, and then I'm lifting all of that off to get an open B string, and an open E string, and then open B, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B, open E, and then I'm doing a slide. Well, so you can probably leave that 3rd finger there. And then you're hitting the open and 5th fingers together. You're sliding from the 3rd fret to the 5th fret. At the same time, you're strumming an open E string. And then an open E, and then I'm calling out the fingers here, 2, 3, 2, open, 3, open, 3, open, 3, open, open, 3, open, open, 2, 3, open, 3, 1, open, 2, open, 2, 1, open, 2, open, 2, open, 1, 3, open, and then I'm moving my 1 back up to start over, to repeat that section. So I'm clicking off quarter note, or you're hearing the 8th notes. The tempo is set at 50, so if you don't have 8th notes on your metronome, you can just move it up to 100 and you get the same thing. So this is either 100 or 50 beats per minute, and that's how I'm going to progress with playing this jam. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 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 2, 3, and 4, and 1,